Welcome to Administering an Assessment. Find and print assessment documents. First of all, let's find your assessment. In Data Director, navigate to the left-hand menu at the bottom and click on the Assessments icon. First, make sure that all of the filter fields at the top of the window are set to the current year, your grade level, and then select a folder at the bottom. Clicking on Shared Assessments first and searching for your assessment. You may also find your assessment within a national or school-specific folder. For this example, we will be selecting the second grade reading benchmark, Round 1. Next step is to print test booklets for both teachers and students. Once you have selected your assessment, the assessment overview window will appear. Scroll all the way down to the bottom to the downloadable assessment materials box. Print the teacher booklet first. When this window appears, make sure that the font size and the document format stay default as selected. If you would like to include a cover page, click in the checkbox. And do make sure that the answer choice rationale box is selected. Click Create Assessment Booklet now. Once the teacher booklet has downloaded and you have printed that, click Return to Assessment in the left-hand navigational menu to return to the Assessment Overview page. Scroll down to the bottom of the window to the Downloadable Assessment Materials section. Click Student Booklet. Select the font size appropriate for the grade level you are teaching. You may want to increase the font size for younger children. Again, include document format in PDF, and if you would like, click the checkbox for a cover page. Click Create Assessment Booklet now. Once you have printed a copy of your student test booklet, click Return to Assessment. Next is to print additional materials. Scroll to the bottom of the window to print additional materials related to this particular assessment. Our final step is to download and print answer sheets. Scroll to the bottom of the Assessment Overview window. There are two types of answer sheets that can be printed, one with student names and the other generic, without student names. We'll select with student names. In this window, the elementary school teacher only needs to select her name before clicking on generating answer sheets. If you are a middle school or high school teacher, you may need to select the term, a specific grade level, and class period along with a course. Then you also have the option to pick individual students that you want to print answer sheets for from a list. Once you've made your selections, click. When the answer sheet appears, the instructions are listed first. Please read these carefully and follow each one. This will ensure accurate scanning of all of your students' answer sheets. Scrolling down to the second page will lead you to the first answer sheet for your student. Notice at the top that in the left-hand corner is the name of your school and the name of the answer sheet itself. The student name is printed for you in advance, along with the teacher number ID and the student ID number bubbled in. The teacher's name is listed under the Important Marking Instructions box, and you can skip the form and period boxes below. Please leave those blank. The student begins answering the questions and bubbling in the answer choices down below. This concludes administering an assessment. Find and print assessment documents.